Tired of banking that feels like a trip back in time? You know, the kind with long lines, confusing fees, and a customer service representative who's more robot than human? What if there was a better way? A way that puts you in control, saves you time, and actually feels like it's built for the modern world? That's the promise of Relay Bank, and today, we're going to break down exactly why you might want to choose it over your traditional bank. First, let's talk about those fees. With a traditional bank, it's a never-ending maze of monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and ATM surcharges. It's like they're actively trying to drain your account with 1,000 tiny cuts. Relay Bank, on the other hand, offers transparent, low-to-no fee accounts. We're talking no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and in-network ATM access that won't cost you a penny. That's more of your money staying in your pocket, where it belongs. Next up, the user experience. Think about your current banking app. Is it clunky? Does it crash? Does it make you want to throw your phone across the room? Relay Bank's app is designed from the ground up to be intuitive and powerful. You can send money to friends in an instant, track your spending with smart insights, and even set up savings goals that automatically move money for you. It's banking that's not just a chore, it's a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. And finally, customer service. Ever been put on hold for an hour, only to be transferred to a different department and have to start all over again? Relay Bank is different. We offer real-time, in-app support from real people. No phone trees, no long waits. Just a quick chat to get your questions answered and your problem solved. Because when it comes to your money, you deserve a human touch, not an automated message. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the past and embrace a new, smarter way to bank, it's time to check out Relay Bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.